Have you ever wondered what happens when you venture beyond the familiar comforts of Earth and delve into the profound depths of space? It's a realm where the laws of physics as we know them begin to twist and turn, revealing a universe far stranger and more wondrous than we could ever imagine. Hold on to your astronaut helmets, folks, because we're about to embark on a thrilling cosmic adventure. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Put down your phone, pause your doom scrolling, and let's fire up our imaginations as we explore the weird, the wild, and the downright mind-boggling phenomena that await us in the great cosmic ocean. Get ready to have your minds blown wide open. Our journey begins with a concept that sounds like something straight out of science fiction: time dilation. Imagine, if you will, two clocks, perfectly synchronized, ticking away in perfect harmony. Now imagine sending one of those clocks on a high-speed joyride aboard a spaceship approaching the speed of light. What happens? Well, as our spaceship approaches this cosmic speed limit, something truly bizarre occurs. Time itself begins to slow down for our traveling clock relative to its stationary twin. The faster we go, the more pronounced this effect becomes. This isn't some kind of cosmic parlor trick. It's a fundamental consequence of Einstein's theory of special relativity. Time, you see, is not the absolute unchanging entity we perceive it to be here on Earth. It's relative, fluid, and deeply intertwined with the fabric of space-time itself. So, if you were to embark on a cosmic voyage at near light speed, you might return to Earth to find that while you've aged a few years, decades, or even centuries have passed for those you left behind. Talk about a serious case of cosmic jet lag. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, we encounter another strange phenomenon: cosmic radiation. These aren't your garden-variety X-rays. We're talking about high-energy particles, atomic nuclei, and other subatomic shrapnel blasted across the universe from powerful cosmic events like supernova explosions and the intense magnetic fields of black holes and neutron stars. Now, here on Earth, we're shielded from the worst of this cosmic barrage by our planet's magnetic field and atmosphere. But out in the vast expanse of space, it's a different story. Prolonged exposure to cosmic radiation can wreak havoc on the human body, damaging DNA, increasing the risk of cancer, and even affecting cognitive function. It's a sobering reminder that space is not a hospitable place for our species. It's a harsh and unforgiving environment that demands respect and careful preparation. Future space travelers, especially those on long-duration missions, will need advanced shielding technologies to protect themselves from this invisible threat. Chapter 3. Zero-G, the body's balancing act. Let's float into another peculiar aspect of space travel: microgravity. We're so accustomed to the constant pull of gravity here on Earth that we rarely stop to consider its profound influence on our bodies. But in the weightless environment of space, our bodies undergo some strange and fascinating adaptations. Without gravity constantly pulling us down, our muscles, particularly those we use to support our weight on Earth, begin to atrophy. Bones lose density, becoming more susceptible to fractures. Even the fluids in our bodies behave differently, shifting upwards and potentially affecting cardiovascular health. But fear not, intrepid explorers. These changes are not necessarily permanent. Astronauts on the International Space Station engage in rigorous exercise routines and follow specialized diets to mitigate the effects of microgravity. Chapter 4. The Mind in the Void: Space Madness. As we delve deeper into the psychological effects of prolonged space travel, we enter the realm of space madness, a catch-all term for the psychological challenges astronauts might face during long-duration missions. Imagine the isolation of being confined within a spacecraft, millions of miles from home, the familiar sights and sounds of Earth a distant memory. The lack of natural light cycles can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to fatigue and mood swings. The constant stress of living and working in a high-risk environment can take its toll on mental well-being. And then there's the overview effect, a profound cognitive shift in awareness reported by some astronauts who have gazed upon Earth from space. They describe a sense of awe, a deep connection to our planet, and a newfound understanding of its fragility. Chapter 5. Are we alone? The cosmic question. Our final cosmic enigma takes us to the very heart of one of humanity's oldest and most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? The cosmos is an unimaginably vast place, teeming with billions upon billions of stars, many of which likely harbor their own planetary systems. Is it so far-fetched to imagine that somewhere out there, on a world orbiting a distant star, life may have arisen, evolved, and perhaps even developed civilizations far more advanced than our own? The possibilities, like the universe itself, are seemingly endless. Perhaps one day, in the not-so-distant future, we'll have a definitive answer to this age-old question. Until then, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to captivate our imaginations and drive our exploration of the cosmos. Outro cosmic curiosities and beyond. From time warps and cosmic radiation to the mysteries of microgravity and the search for extraterrestrial life, the universe is filled with wonders that challenge our understanding and ignite our imaginations. Our journey into the weird and wonderful world of space phenomena has just begun. There are countless cosmic mysteries yet to be unraveled, countless strange and fascinating phenomena waiting to be discovered. So keep your curiosity burning bright, my fellow explorers. Subscribe to our Universal Universe channel for daily cosmic adventures, and don't forget to share and like the video so we can continue to explore the universe together. After all, in this grand cosmic tapestry, we're all connected, like stardust scattered across the cosmos.